Are you responsible for the change management of Clarity in your organization? Or are you a professional Clarity integrator providing customization services for your customers? If the answer is yes to either of those questions, you are in the right place. Have you ever found yourself in a position where your developers or administrators were complaining that they have to do a lot of manual tasks and therefore they can't focus on what really matters? Have you ever imagined a future where you don't have to record every single configuration change or manually update the documentation? A future where it isn't impossible anymore to detect if any change was made in your system without your knowledge, since you have total control over the configuration. A future where you don't have to deal with the consequences of the low test coverage, where you can easily avoid production errors, which are discovered later and then require a lot of effort to fix. The 3C Release Manager can support you in achieving this future. The software provides benefits in multiple areas: operational efficiency and improved quality, support, and compliance. Let's focus now on operations efficiency and improved quality, and show how creating visibility of configuration changes, introducing a standardized change management process, and enabling automated Clarity deployments can lead to cost reduction and enhanced compliance for your organization. But how does it actually work? Let's look at the whole development process with and without using 3C RM, starting with the lack of it. Adapting Clarity to a specific organization is a multi-step, mostly manual process. A developer has to open the Clarity administration page, add the new button manually on the screen, design the form for the more complicated changes, write the specific object XMLs, inject them into the dev system, and the list just goes on. At the end, if the actual development is ready, another task is coming up: writing down everything that has been done for the last week or last month. And if the developer wants to test the result, someone will read the document and start repeating the same steps over again on the test environment. When everything has been and the changes can be published to the production system, the administrator who is responsible for the deployment will read this document and start the next cycle, once again, manually. It doesn't just sound like a never-ending story, but it brings a lot of human errors, issues as well. For example, some of the important information may be lost, and on top of that, the process is not auditable or bulletproof at all. But what happens in the other case when 3C Release Manager assists the developer by analyzing the dev system? Instead of the developer manually comparing the affected objects with their original version, trying to find every small modification, 3C RM does it automatically. This helps the developer to see which elements were changed during the development. All these important differences are converted into configuration changes that can be collected in a deployment package that is also automatically validated. The package can be directly used to deploy its content to the test environment, and once the testing has been done, the exact same package can be used to deploy the changes to the production system, ensuring consistency and visibility during the whole process. So, what can we learn from these two cases? Tracking changes manually in documentation is prone to human errors that can later result in the inability to resolve incidents or to comply with audit or regulatory requests. By using a development tool that automatically tracks configuration changes, your organization can significantly reduce risk of mistakes. Automated deployment processes further reduce error rate and lead to improved comfortability and efficiency. 3C Release Manager, your choice if you want to make your organization more efficient, transparent, and time-saving by being automated. Click the bottom on the left to see more detailed videos about the functions of 3C RM. Visit our website at capture.eu or contact us via email for further information.